Hi, this is Engineer Hedaetullah from School of Civil Engineering. Now what we'll do actually, now I will provide our reinforcement in our structure. Okay, so now I'm going to show that how we'll provide foundation reinforcement on our that structure. Okay, so for that I'll click here. Before that I'll provide Ctrl+2 for transparent view, so that when I'll provide reinforcement on it, then it will be visible. Now I'll just click here application and components. After coming here, I'll click here pad, PAD. So pad, just see here when I have provided pad. Now pad footing reinforcement, and you can also search with that 77 if you're familiar with that number. Now I'll click here and just see it's providing us a command pick object. So I want to pick that object and wait for some time. Just see a reinforcement have been created here. A reinforcement have been created. Okay, so after that you can see that all of that bar is straight. Now if you need the band bar here, then also you can do that. To do that, simply right click here, interrupt, and double click on it, and here you can see that many things have been created. Now actually this is basic tutorial series, that's why I'll not discuss more details about that. Okay, so this is the our overall picture. I'll just go for our primary bar, and you can see here our size of river. Here our size of river is number 6 bar. I can change that. I'll just click here. Now you can see here our different types of bar size for different, here for our 60 grade river. Okay, for our 60 grade, and here also different types of bar size that are available. So I'll use a 6/5 60 grade river, and I will use number 5 bar. Okay, number 5 bar here. I'll select that one and I'll click OK. So number 5 bar I have selected for it, and our band radius here it's selected automatically. Now I'll just go here our band length. So what will be band length? Suppose it will be 12 inch, and here for right side it will be 12 inch. After that I'll click here modify, and just see it's have been created. And if you need to change that spacing, I'll provide 6 inch spacing. Okay, I'll provide 6 inch spacing here. Again I'll click modify. Just see this reinforcement spacing have been changed. And again I'll just go for secondary bar. This is for our primary bar. Now I'll go for secondary bar, and also here you can see that this is 40 grade reinforcement. I'll just click here. I'll go for 60 grade reinforcement, and from here I'll select number 5 bar for main. Okay, then I'll click OK. So everything is okay here, and again I'll just for a band bar I'll provide 12 inch into 12 inch for both sides, and here our spacing, suppose I'll provide our reinforcement spacing for, consider that this is 8 inch. Okay, 8 inch spacing. After that I'll simply click here modify. I'm sorry, I have just provided for 8 feet, so 0 and here 8 inch. Okay, I'll click modify. Just see here we have provided reinforcement in our secondary river direction. Okay, so this is the way actually I'll discuss about that when I'll go for a large project. I'm just giving you the basic knowledge on it. So this is the process that how we'll provide our reinforcement river for our footing. After that I'll click OK. So thank you for very much staying with me. This is Engineer Hedaetullah, and if you want to support us, then join as a member in our channel. So thank you very much.